And on my way to the studio, I was thinking about it. When I got there, the guys were in the control room with Greg Ladani, putting up the mix to Africa. And I went out into the studio where the piano was, and inspired by what my daughter had experienced, I started writing a tune. And when it got to the chorus, I thought of the line, her words were still ringing in my head, and I thought, when they say why, tell them that it's human nature. And Quincy heard the demo and got me together with John Bettis, the great John Bettis, to finish the lyrics. Luke, Jeff, and Paige cut the track with me, and it goes a little something like that.